Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this holiday look. This is one of my favorite looks I have filmed recently. I thought the blue look I filmed last week was my favorite. No, I think it's this one. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. That's all for the intro. Oh, actually, sorry about the lighting in this video. I decided to film like at 3 o'clock and it gets dark at 4. So lighting might go in and out, but I hope you guys enjoy and thank you so much for watching. So for this look, we're going to be using the Soph Glam palette. This is one of my new favorite palettes. The first shade we are taking is Sienna and blending that all over the lid. Now I'm taking Mulberry and I'm using that in the crease. I use Sienna to blend out the edges a little bit, and now I'm going to be doing a half cut crease with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Is the same concealer I'm going to be using later. The brush I'm using to define the cut crease and make it sharper is the e.l.f. Angled Eyeliner Brush. I really like it because you can get right in there and define your crease. For my lid shade, I'm going to be taking the shade Bronze. Which is not bronze, it's gold. Why is it called bronze? To make the eyes a little more smoky, I'm going to be taking Noir and blending that mostly on the outer V and a little bit in the crease. And I'm using a Wet n Wild crease brush. So off camera, I finished up my eye. I did a little bit of eyeliner just to line my eyes so you can't see the lash band. And for lashes, I used the Kiss number 11 lashes. And now we're going to be doing base. I already applied my primers. I used the NYX Hydra Touch Primer and the Maybelline Baby Skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Tiramisu and the concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Then I'm going to be doing blush. For blush, I'm using the ABH Blush Trio. And from the trio, I'm going to be using a mixture of Vegas and Scorching. For highlight, I'm taking my Soph X palette and I'm going to be using a mixture of the bronze shade and the gold shade. Dipping back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm taking the shade Rose Pink for the inner corner, then Sienna on the lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm taking the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. For lips, I'm lining them with the Wet n Wild brown liner. And then for lipstick, I'm taking the Fenty lipstick in the shade Madame. That's all for this tutorial. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos from Kentai and I. If there's anything you guys want us to test out or any makeup looks you want us to do, then let us know down below in the comments. That's all for the video. Bye guys.
넌 나의 뼈